Hello! I know on the counter you've had a customer ask you how to get their side molding back on the car. It's a tough subject to explain to a customer, especially if they are not experienced in our world. Let's break down the steps to assisting them. First, ask the obvious question. How does it appear to be attached? If they indicate that there is a bolt or a clip exposed, sell them the proper clip or retainer and any tools to install them that they may need and send them on their way. This video is actually focused on the more difficult process of reattaching a flexible body side molding. Many times they have taped the loose molding to the car with tape. They need to remove that so they can work on the area. Unless it is just an end that is loose, it is better to remove the entire molding. This can be done with a heat gun with great caution or a hair dryer, which is much safer. Once the molding is off the car, any leftover adhesive needs to be removed. Again, I would suggest a hair dryer and a plastic scraper. The adhesive on the car should be removed with an appropriate solvent. Many times, acetone can be used, but it is capable of softening some automotive finishes, so alcohol is a safer bet. Once the old adhesive is removed, it is time to decide what type of adhesive will be used to replace the molding. There are several types. Some are simply two-sided tape, while others are two-sided tape with a backing material that is attached. I find it best to put the tape on the molding and then remove the last cover tape and place the molding on the car. It is very advantageous to have a second set of hands for this step. Position one end of the molding on the car and work in the opposite direction while holding the molding off the car as you go. We mentioned before that if it is just an end that is coming loose, you can clean under the existing molding carefully and use a vinyl trim adhesive to secure the end. This is not advisable for anything more than a couple of inches. Use blue masking tape horizontally to keep the molding in place while the adhesive cures. Your customers will appreciate having all the right products for the job. They will be glad they asked you for the info. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you next time.